Hello dear customer, this is our POM material autolock slider cap injection machine. This one is for making the autolock sliders cap. You can see here is the finished product. It is with cap and this hook. Okay. The mold cavity is about 20 pieces per mold, and this one is for number 5. You can see here the mold frame is made of LKM material, and the mold insert is made of Sweden ASSAB material. And the mold size is the length is about 25, and the width is about 100, and the height is about 260. Okay, now let's see the operation of this mold. For this mold, the injection time is about 2.3, and the foaming time is about 12 seconds, because this one is for the cap, and if it is shorter time, then the injection frame will be broken. So this one is for about 12 seconds. Okay, here. Okay, now we can see this one is for the after finish. Total is 20 pieces per mold.